Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. To start this tutorial, open and locate your LinkedIn application in your mobile device. Once LinkedIn is already open, all you have to do this time is click on your profile on the upper left. In here, you'll see your profile. Then click on the gear icon that says Settings. Now wait for it to load. In here, scroll down once again, and then go to Help Center. When you are in Help Center, you're going to look for the highlighted word that says Close Your Account. Tap on it. In here, you'll just have to click on Continue. And then tell them your reason. Or you can choose to be discreet and click on Other, depending on what you have. And in here, you can also have a reason as to why you need to go. You can copy the things on my screen or you can type it on your own. Then click Continue. And that's it. If you continue down that path, your LinkedIn account will now be deleted. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.